As we learned in the beef lesson, knowing where on the animal the cut comes from makes all the difference in choosing the cooking method and making it taste delicious. So today we're going to look at the chicken diagram, help you identify exactly where each cut comes from, make sure there's no more guesswork, and every time you pick up a piece of chicken or pork, you know exactly what to do. Okay, let's take a look at the whole chicken first. Now these days, chickens are bred to be super tender, but pasture and free-range birds tend to get a little bit more exercise. That means that low and slow might be the preferred method for some areas. So first we have what's known as the split breast. It's half the breast with the skin still attached. Quick cooking, versatile, works with practically any flavor combination. If you've ever seen a breast with a drumette still attached, those are known as airline breasts. Pretty popular for catering because they are cheap, but they look real fancy. Then we have the boneless, skinless breast. Again, quick cooking, ultra lean and versatile. And of course, chicken tenders. A small strip of meat that comes off the breast, extra tender, good with any flavor or cooking method. Now the wings you see here are known as party wings, which means they have the top joint called the tip removed, and then are split into drumettes and flats. Next we have my favorite part of the chicken, the thighs. That's where all the flavor is, and they usually come in two versions, either with skin and bone or without. I usually use the bone-in thighs for baking and roasting, and then I like the skinless, boneless thighs for grilling. When it comes to cooking the drumstick, how the chicken was raised matters. Pasture-raised birds run around a lot, and they'll have tougher legs, and low and slow cooking makes a big difference in how enjoyable the dish will be. Oh, the egg! I thought that was supposed to come first. As we saw, identifying where on the animal the cut comes from decides the cooking method for you. We see well-used mussels use time, moisture, and temperature to make a big difference. Lesser used mussels, they cook quickly and easily. Hopefully this means no more guesswork for you. See you in the next lesson.